count occurrence of a specific digit in a number using Python. Here we have a Python script that takes a num, digit, and count variables. The num variable represents the number in which we want to count the occurrence of the digit. The digit variable represents the digit that we want to count. Next, initialize the count variable to 0 and create a copy of the number variable called n. We use this copy to avoid modifying the original number. Next, we enter into a while loop that continues until n is equal to 0. Within the loop, we calculate the remainder of n divided by 10 using the modulus operator and store it in a variable called rem. If the remainder is equal to the digit we are searching for, we increment the count variable by 1. Finally, we update the value of n by performing an integer division by 10, effectively removing the last digit from n. Once the while loop has completed, we print the output message showing the number of times the digit occurred in the given number, output of the code. As we can see, the digit 2 occurs 4 times in the number 928,233,227. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this.